Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have this beautiful leather scrapbook that I use for my photographs when I go on trips. This is such a beautiful way to keep a record of your memories, of course for scrapbooking, but I also like to keep it as a photo album. The pages are very large and sturdy. I love the detail of the rings on the outside, which have a lot of space, so a lot of room to grow. And because the album is so sturdy, the back and the front is so sturdy, I'm not worried about the pages curling or folding up. I can even place it on its end in a bookcase if I wanted to. This is such a beautiful scrapbook or memory book or photo album. I like to keep it displayed because the cover is so lovely and I'm able to continue to add to it as I go on other trips or have other photographs or memories. It's just a really beautiful leather bound scrapbook, and that's my point of view.